Designing a kid's bedroom is an exciting opportunity to create a vibrant, functional space that reflects their personality while also serving practical needs. The first step is to consider the child's interests and hobbies, which can guide color schemes, themes, and decor. For instance, if a child loves space, you might choose a blue palette with starry walls decals, incorporating glow in the dark elements for a magical nighttime effect. When selecting furniture, prioritize pieces that offer both styles and versatility. A bedroom with built in storage can help keep the room organized, while a desk that can adjust as the grid grows will remain useful for the years. Incorporating playful elements is essential. Consider a tent or a reading nook with cushions or soft lighting to encourage creativity and relaxation. Wall mounted bookshelves can not only display their favorite stories but also free up the floor surface, making the room feel larger. Additionally, consider a chalkboard wall or an art corner where kids can express themselves freely without the fear of making a mess everywhere. Safety is a top priority in kids spaces, so opt for furniture with rounded edges and secure heavy items to the wall to prevent accidents. A soft rug can provide a cozy area for play and reduce slips, while curtains should be easily operate and safe from entanglement. To maximize functionality, incorporate multi-use furniture such as a daybed that serves as both a sofa and a sleeping area, or a storage ottoman that can double as seating. Colorful bins or baskets can keep toys organized and easily accessible, fostering independence in tidying up. As children grow, their tastes will change, so consider using removable wallpaper or decals that can easily be updated. This allows you to refresh the room without a full redesign. Art and personal touches like framed photos or their own artwork can be added to the decor to make the space uniquely theirs. Lastly, consider the lighting carefully. A mix of overhead lighting, task lighting for the homework, and soft lighting for bedtime stories can create an inviting atmosphere. Dimmable lights or smart bulbs can add versatility, allowing the room to transition seamlessly from a bright area to a calm, soothing environment for sleep. In summary, designing a kid's bedroom involves balancing fun and functionality. By integrating their interests, ensuring safety, and allowing for flexibility as they grow, you can create a space that will grow and cherish as they transition into their teenage years. A well thought out kids' room not only enhances their daily experiences but also encourages imagination, creativity, and a sense of ownership. With these ideas, you can transform any room into a personal sanctuary that inspires joy and exploration.